Hi guys. So welcome back one more time. Like this is the next day, and today is basically it's 7:30 in the evening, like literally in evening, and I just receive a mail or a kind of a message from my CR or from my college. Like my timetable was so hectic, and this time we got the other time slot as per our convenience. So I am just going to get done one more time. Like मैंने एक बार कर दिया, but now I have just received a message कि जिन्होंने CMA के लिए अप्लाई किया है चेक इट अगेन बिकॉज टाइम स्लॉट्स अलग थे. एंड नाउ द थिंग इज़ कि इसके बाद मुझे अपना कॉस्ट शीट जो CMA का कॉस्ट शीट है वो चैप्टर यूनिट कंप्लीट हो गया है इन कॉलेज. सो मुझे वो कंप्लीट करना है एंड स्टार्ट करना है उसे पढ़ना. दैन मंडे को लाइक एक मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी मैंने बताई थी आई हैव टू डिस्कस, उसके लिए प्रिपरेशन करेंगे एंड होपफुली हो जाए सब. एंड मैंने एक और चीज़ डिसाइड करी है कि मंडे को मेरा 5 आवर्स का ब्रेक है, तो आई विल ट्राई एक्चुअली नॉट श्योर बट आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं रिकॉर्ड कर पाऊँ दैट टाइम एज वेल, क्योंकि उसमें ना मेरा 5 आवर्स का ब्रेक है तो मुझे लैपटॉप ले आना पड़ेगा. एंड आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि इट वुड बी अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन, क्योंकि 5 आवर्स वेस्ट करने से बढ़िया है कि आई शुड यूटिलाइज इट समवेयर एल्स. सो या लैपटॉप मैं ले जा रही हूँ अपने कॉलेज एंड आई विल ट्राई टू रिकॉर्ड देयर एज वेल. Here I have started studying with my CMA's lecture notes which I have decided, and along with that basically I am writing down all the basic concepts of the course sheet, which is a very first unit of cost management accounting. So yeah, this is how I used to study, but along with that I wanted to share like how you can be more productive and found yourself productive every day. So first is that we all need to start with clear goals. Like we must know ki what we have something that we need to achieve. The first step to becoming more productive is to start with the clear goals. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, it become easier to focus your efforts. So write down your daily tasks the night before or early in the morning and then prioritize them. This helps to reduce overwhelm and gives you a roadmap for the day. Now, second is you can use the time blocking. Basically, use the time blocking technique to organize your day. Dedicate the specific blocks of a time to certain tasks, whether it's studying, working, or even relaxing. By allocating time to each activity, you can minimize distractions as well as and you can create structures that help you to stay on a track. Now, third one is eliminate the distractions. To boost the productivity, it becomes very much important for us can mean turning off the social media notifications, setting your phone to on do not disturb, or creating a dedicated workspace. The more you can focus, the quicker you will get things done. The fourth point is take breaks. Taking break is essential to avoid the burnout. I use the Pomodoro technique where I work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute breaks. It keeps me refreshed and ready to tackle the next task. Now, here is the last one, which is most important, that is to practice self care. It's important to take care of yourself mentally and physically. Eating healthy, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly can have a massive impact on your productivity. When you feel good, you perform better. It's already 8:38 p.m. Now, let's unpack this parcel which my sister sent me. Like, these are the keychain which she got for me from Chandigarh. The second one is here, and this one is basically the eraser. Take a break, like I'm going outside to walk with my mom, and after coming from there, I will have my dinner and then back to study. So yeah, stay tuned. I am done taking my dinner, done with the walk. Now अब मैं जो भी मेरा लेफ्ट पार्ट है, मतलब जो बचा हुआ है फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग सॉरी CMA का कॉस्ट मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, मैं उससे कंप्लीट कर लूँगी. एंड कल संडे है, सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि मैं इसे वन गो में कंप्लीट कर लूँ. माई न्यू डेस्क सेटअप, लेट्स गेट इट डन. These are the notes which I have taken for the course sheet. Guys, I'm so tired, like you don't believe. But let's see कितना हो पाता है. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it done in one go. So guys, this is it for the today's vlog, and thank you so much for your love and support, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great time here. We'll meet you in the next video which is coming soon again. Bye bye. Ta-da.